What's up, guys? You guys probably been wondering where we have been, and that is none your business where we've been. All right, so today's video, drove to CJ's, our brother-in-law, and we're gonna be working on the Raptor today. I guess I might as well touch on that right now. We're pulling his motor out. We're putting the 5.0 in it. CJ should be here any minute. I thought I heard him. So we're pulling his motor out. We're putting a 5.0 in it. All right, so get ready for that. Those videos coming up. What else? We gotta do a little work to my truck, but that won't be fun. And then if we get time, we're gonna be pulling each other on sleds with the snowmobile out on the track. You guys have seen the track before if you've seen our other videos. That's that. So I'm gonna unload the truck and stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow our Instagram. And we're close to 900 subscribers. Really would love to see 1,000, as you guys know. That's that. All right, man, I miss doing this. This is fun. All right, see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, back to CJ's. Here's this truck he's been working on. He's been seeing it on our Instagram a lot. Woo! Oh, you're inside. Oh yeah.
The seats just like slid all the way forward.
What's wrong here? Oh wow.
Yeah,
it's huge in here.
It is.
I got like a bunch of tons of headroom. Wow. Hey.
He's looking at us like, what are you doing?
Uh-oh. Yeah, this is sweet.
It'll be a 6-seater.
It's a 6-seater. Nice. Yeah. How do I get out of here?
Right here. You have to fold this forward. Or get Xander to let you out.
Xander! Let me out. Oh, that's a good fit.
Yeah, a lot of room in it, actually.
Yeah, it's way bigger than the like cabs nowadays.
It's bigger than it looks.
Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. Sweet. I love the bed.
Yeah, that's my favorite part.
That's really cool. Here's the Raptor. Woo! Ah. Here we are, guys. Oh, this is gonna be easy. It's right here.
Yeah.
CJ already did 90% of the work. Get this pulled out tonight, and then we'll get to the fun stuff. Well, this is fun too. Here she is, the 5.0. Purple, because that's bad to the bone. Hey guys, I forgot to do an outro for that video. The day of, we ended up, it was like 11 something at night, and I had an hour drive home after we got the motor out. So I just kind of put the camera away and left. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the subscribers that we have so far. Our Instagram is also doing very well, getting tons of followers there. So thank you guys for subscribing, liking, and make sure you guys comment and let us know what you guys want to see next. I know you probably want to see a little bit more fun stuff, so I got a couple ideas. We can do some more entertaining stuff. Well, you might think that was entertaining. I think it was entertaining. At any rate, yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I've said it 1,000 times, and we'll see you on the next one.